Hi everyone, my name is Jess and welcome to my channel. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here today guys, and I'm really excited for today's video because I'm going to be sharing with you 6 DIY gifts ideas. These are really good ideas to give for Christmas as a present, and I just hope that you like this video and these ideas as much as I do creating them using Dollar Tree items guys, and very budget friendly. So I don't know, I just hope that you like and enjoy this video, and if you do, please a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel, and make sure that you are subscribed and that you hit the bell to get notified every single time that I upload a new video. Guys, remember to follow me on all my social media pages, my webpage, and my new YouTube channel, Jazomy Home. All the links are going to be in the description box of this video and every single video, and let's get started.
Okay, for this first project, I will be using 3 of these Dollar Tree glass jar candles that don't have any scent. And what I did was to put them in a pot with boiling water so that the wax becomes liquid. And from there, once the wax is melted, I will be removing the wicks from the candles. I use popsicle sticks to be able to remove the wicks, but you can use whatever you have, maybe a spoon. Just be careful because this is hot. Okay, I'm going to be using this red soup mug that I get from Dollar Tree, and the first thing I did was to place the 3 candle wicks in the center of the mug. To make sure that the wicks are going to stay where you want them to be, you can use maybe hot glue, but I'm not sure if that is going to work well. So I decided to use the melted wax to be able to stick them on my mug. These wicks are extremely long, and I really want that they can stay straight in my mug. So to be able to hold them, I use popsicle sticks. I use one for each of the wicks, and this is going to help them to stay right where I want them. From there, you can apply any scents that you like, and I choose lemon that I get from Dollar Tree. You can use maybe lavender, eucalyptus, you can use maybe peppermint, and that will be so cool. After applying the scent, you can place the wax carefully, and remember that this is extremely hot, so make sure that you hold the candle jars with some oven mitts that you have at home. And guys, in total I used 2.5 candle jars from Dollar Tree, or I mean like the wax to fill my soap mug. And from there, you should let this dry for a few hours until you see that the wax is completely dry and solid. Once the wax is dry, this is how the candle will look like, and it smells very good and I just love it. And now I just have to remove the popsicle sticks and then cut the wicks from the candle so they are not too long. And once your candle is ready, you should add maybe a tag or some pics just to make it look a perfect gift for that special person. And this is how this project will look like, and I love it, and oh my god, it smells so good. For this next project, I will be using this Dollar Tree tumbler, and I really like it because it is like stainless steel on the outside and it doesn't have any design, so it is perfect to personalize it. And I decided to use my Cricut, and I made a decal with the name of the person that I'm going to be giving this gift, and also a drawing that identifies or that the person likes. In this case, I put a violin and I stick it in the center of the tumbler. If you don't have a Cricut, you can also use stickers and maybe add some Mod Podge just to make sure that they are going to stick well on your mug or whatever you're using. You can use these Dollar Tree boxes and fill them with paper or maybe Spanish moss to make it look a little bit more rustic. And then you can place your tumbler in the center, and this gift is for a man, so I decided to add one of these Dollar Tree multi-use knife, which is great and combines perfect. And I just remove it from the plastic and I open it a little bit just to make the presentation look a little bit better. Once I was done, this will be the result of this DIY gift idea, and I think it is the perfect gift for a man or maybe a woman if you wish. It is a unique and a personalized piece, and it is a great gift on a budget, so I'm really happy how it turned out. Okay guys, and now I'm going to show you a few things that you can put together for the perfect gift. And the first thing I'm going to be using is one of these Dollar Tree agendas. They have so many styles, and this one is really beautiful and I love the color. And I'm going to personalize it a little bit by placing the name of the person I want to give it to. And for that you can use stickers or you can make your own decal with your Cricut. I'm going to place this agenda in a box on one side, and I'm also going to put some details that has the same color of my agenda, and those can be a candle and maybe some candies or chocolates. That is why this is a special gift, because all that things inside of that box have the same color. It shows that you took the time to look for them, and that is important. And of course all those details looks amazing together. Finally, I'm going to use this t-shirt that I got in Dollar Tree, and I made a decal with my iron-on vinyl, and it says crafty and have some scissors at the end. So first I put the heat on the t-shirt, and then I put the decal on my t-shirt, make sure that it looks good and how I want it to look, and then I put the easy press tool for about 15 minutes at 350 degrees for the iron-on to transfer to the t-shirt. From there, I just had to fold the t-shirt and place it with the rest of the things in the box. And guys, this will be the result of this gift idea, and I really like it because it has several like super cool things. But remember that if you don't have the Cricut, you could still make this same gift idea, maybe add some socks or a mug, and it will be perfect. For the next idea, I thought it would be amazing if I used this Dollar Tree eyeglass bag and personalize it with the name of the person I want to give it to. So I made a decal with some iron-on in black color, and I put the heat on it so that it will stick to the eyeglass bag. I used my easy press and I put it for about, I think, like 15 minutes, and then I removed that plastic piece that protects the iron-on, and this is how it's going to be looking. Dollar Tree has a great selection on sunglasses, and I bought them before, and hey, they're not bad. I really like them. So I thought that if in a box I put these personalized eyeglass bag that I made with the sunglasses, it will be a perfect gift for any occasion, not just for Christmas. And Dollar Tree has also glasses for kids, and you can do the same and put them on a box. Next project is perfect for lovers of sweet or candy or chocolate, and I'm going to be using this Dollar Tree clear ornament, and you can leave it like that if you want, or maybe you can add stickers or a decal that says maybe, for example, like Varela family, or like I did that says hashtag Christmas 2020, and I made this decal in red vinyl and I stick it on the top of the ornament. From there, I'm going to fill this ornament with the favorite chocolate or candy that the person likes. And this is a big ornament, so I use about 3 boxes of M&Ms to make sure that I fill it as much as I can. From there, you just have to place the cap or like that metal piece that this ornament brings. And yeah, you can put maybe some ribbons and a bow just to give it a nice detail. Guys, this will be the result of this project, and I love how it looks with all those chocolate colors. And if I've been honest, I think I'm going to take this gift for me. I would love also if these can have sweet tarts inside. That's my favorite candy, and let me know in the comments which one is your favorite candy or chocolate flavor. For this last gift idea, I thought it would be super cool if we thought about the things that a man like, and I think that could be cars. So I looked and found some things in Dollar Tree, and the first thing is this microfiber wash mitt, and what I did was remove that tag and give it a few turns and tie it with a piece of twine so that it looks much better in the gift box. Then I'm going to add to this box these name brand car cleaning products, which you can find in Dollar Tree in miniature size. I decided to get 3 products, but you have so many more options at Dollar Tree, of course. And guys, this is a simple idea of things that you can put together for a great gift, and you don't have to spend a lot of money, works, and looks great, and is something that is useful too. Okay guys, I hope that you like all these DIY gifts ideas, perfect for Christmas or any occasion, and perfect for women's and men's and for kids, and they are so much fun and some very unique pieces that you can give, and they are very on a budget because I was using things that you can get at Dollar Tree. And I just hope that I know that you like and enjoy this video as much as I do creating all these DIYs. And if you do, please give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel, and let me know in the comments. I really want to know which one is your favorite gift idea, and make sure that you are subscribed, that you hit the bell, and that you share this video with friends and family. Guys, remember to follow me on all my social media pages, my webpage, and my YouTube channel, Jazomy Home. All the links are going to be in the description box. Mwah, love you so much guys, and see you on my next video. Mwah, bye, Merry Christmas.